Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Avinash Mavireddi, and I'm here to talk about innovations in healthcare data integration. The healthcare industry is undergoing a massive transformation in how it manages, secures, and leverages data. Today, we'll explore how modern technologies are addressing challenges like scalability, compliance, cybersecurity, and how these innovations are shaping the future of healthcare delivery. The healthcare cloud computing market is experiencing an unprecedented growth, currently valued at $51.47 billion, and it's projected to nearly triple to $139.68 billion by 2029. This growth is driven by the rapid adoption of digital solutions, particularly in North America, which leads in innovation and implementation. Cloud computing is enabling healthcare organizations to deliver seamless remote care, improve operational efficiencies, and build resilient infrastructure in the future. This shift is not just about technology, it's about fundamentally transforming how healthcare is delivered and experienced. The scale of healthcare data management. Healthcare organizations are dealing with an explosion of data. On average, they manage 259.2 terabytes of patient data annually, with larger hospital networks processing up to 665 terabytes. This data comes in many forms: structured patient records, unstructured clinical notes, high-resolution medical images, and real-time monitoring data of IoT devices, and a lot of other ways of getting the data. However, the challenge is that data generation is outpacing storage capacity growth by 25% annually. This creates a pressing need for scalable, efficient data management solutions. Without addressing this issue, healthcare organizations risk being overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data they need to store, process, and analyze. Let's talk about cybersecurity challenges in healthcare. Cybersecurity is one of the most critical challenges facing healthcare today. On average, healthcare providers face 1,285 attempted cyber attacks every week. Ransomware attacks have seen a dramatic 94% surge this year, forcing hospitals to make impossible choices between paying criminals and risking disruption to patient care. The financial impact is staggering. In 2023, the average cost of a data breach in healthcare reached $10.93 million, the highest across all industries. But this isn't just about money. Cybersecurity is a patient safety issue. A breach can compromise sensitive patient data, disrupt critical medical systems, and even put lives at risk. Healthcare organizations must prioritize cybersecurity as a fundamental component of patient care, implementing comprehensive strategies to protect both data and human lives. If we talk about the compliance requirements, compliance is another major challenge for healthcare organizations. They must navigate a complex web of regulations, including HIPAA in the US, GDPR in Europe, and various local and state-specific laws. To maintain compliance, healthcare institutions invest approximately 15% of their IT budgets into activities like staff training, security infrastructure, and regular audits. For mid-sized hospitals, this translates to an average annual investment of $3.8 million in compliance management. This includes costs for documentation systems, dedicated compliance officers, ongoing staff certifications, and external audits. While compliance is costly, it's essential for protecting patient privacy and avoiding significant legal and financial penalties. Many healthcare organizations are still grappling with outdated systems. 76% of healthcare institutions operate with systems that are over 10 years old. These legacy systems are not only inefficient, but also expensive to maintain. Annual maintenance costs exceed $8.3 billion across the US healthcare sector. They also cause significant downtime. On average, healthcare providers experience 32 hours of downtime annually, which can disrupt patient care and operations. Perhaps most concerning is that legacy systems consume 60 to 80% of IT budgets just for maintenance, leaving little room for innovation and modernization. This highlights the urgent need for healthcare organizations to transition to more modern, scalable, and efficient data architectures. Now let's talk about the modern solutions. like the data lakes, federated learning. These are driven due to healthcare data management. Data lakes enable real-time access to diverse medical data sources from patient records to imaging data. This integration has led to 47% improvement in clinical decision support accuracy and reduced complex query times from days to just hours. Federated learning takes this a step further by enabling secure collaboration across institutions without transferring sensitive data. This approach reduces data transfer volume by 91% or up to about 92%, ensuring patient privacy while still allowing for advanced AI-driven insights. These technologies are not just improving efficiency, they're transforming how healthcare providers deliver care and make decisions. Cybersecurity innovations in healthcare. Innovative cybersecurity solutions are making healthcare data safer than ever before. AI-driven data anonymization processes 1.7 million patient records daily with high accuracy, achieving key anonymity levels about 0.92. Dynamic data masking ensures that sensitive information is protected in real time with latencies of just 47 milliseconds for structured data and 82 milliseconds for unstructured clinical notes. Zero Trust architecture has been very effective, reducing successful lateral movement attacks by 94.3% and data exfiltration attempts by almost 88.9%. Finally, biometric enhanced authentication mechanisms achieve 99.9% accuracy in user identification. It's actually adding an extra layer of security to protect sensitive systems and data. Regulatory compliance and risk mitigation. Modern data governance frameworks are providing highly effective solutions in managing compliance and mitigating risks. Automated compliance monitoring has reduced regulatory violations by 73.6%, while also cutting compliance-related costs by 58.7%. These systems can detect potential breaches in just 3.7 minutes, allowing organizations to respond quickly and minimize damage. Additionally, data-related incidents have decreased by 82.4%, thanks to improved data governance practices. These frameworks are not just about avoiding penalties, they are about ensuring data quality, protecting patient privacy, and building trust. Emerging trends in healthcare technology. Emerging technologies are set to revolutionize healthcare industry, or healthcare delivery, and patient outcomes. Edge computing enables real-time processing of critical patient data directly at the point of care, reducing latency and improving decision-making. Blockchain ensures secure and transparent sharing of medical records across providers, enhancing interoperability and trust. Quantum-safe encryption is being developed right now with sensitive health information against future cyber threats, ensuring long-term data secure. AI-powered diagnostic tools are dramatically improving disease detection accuracy and speed with 5G-enabled telemedicine and breaking down geographical barriers to provide high-quality care to remote populations. These technologies are not just future concepts, they are being implemented today and they are transforming the healthcare as we know it. Successfully implementing these innovations requires a strategic approach. Organizations that follow phased deployment strategies report success rates of 91.7% compared to just 43.2% of immediate full-scale deployments. High stakeholder engagement is also very critical, leading to a 89.3%, almost a 90% higher adoption rate, and 82.6% faster time to market. Investing in comprehensive training pays off, with organizations reporting up to 94.7% higher user proficiency rates and 9.4% fewer user-related incidents. Finally, continuous adoption is essential. The healthcare landscape is constantly evolving and organizations must be prepared to adapt to new technologies and emerging trends. The future of healthcare depends on careful planning, collaboration, and a commitment to innovation. As I conclude my talk, the healthcare industry is at a pivotal moment. Modern data management, cybersecurity innovations, and emerging technologies are transforming how we develop care, protect patient data, and ensure compliance. These solutions are not just improving efficiency, they're saving more lives, building trust, and creating a more resilient healthcare system for the future. I encourage all healthcare organizations to embrace these innovations. The time is now. We have to act. Thank you all for your attention today. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into the innovations shaping healthcare data integration. I'd be happy to just reach out to me on LinkedIn. Thank you guys. Let's continue the conversation and work together to build a better future of healthcare. See ya.